Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you part 2 of this TV set that I have that I'm going to show you. And it's this little drawer. I've kept it in 2 pieces so that we can attach it later on. But let's take it apart so I can show you how to build it. Alright, now I have everything taken apart. I can show you everything that's in this area. So we have 2 1x2s down here, or like 1x1 tiles that are so impossible to take off that I can't take off at least. And then 2 more 1x1 tiles, so that's 4. 4 of these 1x1 snap pieces. So let's put these over here. 2 1x2 pieces. 2 1x2 plates that are snap pieces. And then 2 of these 1x1 tile pieces that are black. Alright, now let's get to building. So first, get all of these and put your tile pieces onto front of here, these plate pieces, and then get this piece, then put these 1x1 plates, then this to go here like that, and then this 1x1 plate, like piece, and so does this one. And there we have it. Now we can attach this drawer to here. Now we can get this to go right there. And that is our little drawer complete. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye!